Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, almost weekend, Thursday, January the 6th, 2022, and I've already solved 3 puzzles. 5 out of 9 I will do, so 3 puzzles are left. 3 puzzles are done. 3 stars, the 4 stars I have done, and the binary, so 2 puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, I will continue with the 4 stars Tectonic. I hope it's really a 4 stars. Publisher, yeah, if it's not a 4 stars, give us 5 stars or 6 stars or maybe 7 stars. But this will be 3942. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Alright. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but I think it's rather an easy one. We will see. We will see. I cannot judge or predict. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Okay, that's my time limit. We'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box always a 1. Here also a single box is a 1. Dual boxes, can we see here dual box? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. More dual boxes here, no. Quadra boxes then, no. No quadra boxes. Well, here. No. We skipped the triple box. Do we see here any triple boxes? Let me scan. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And remember, if you see a quadra box in an L shape or L figure, this is flipped or mirrored. The inside box here is always is always a 5 here. Always a 5. Remember this. Always a 5. Okay. Quadra boxes. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, how about this shape? This shape, let me draw this here. Okay, here we have the shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, another one, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. More, no. Alright. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. This shape. Alright. This shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Okay. Here, another one. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this L shape? The L shape. Let me draw this here. Upside down. If you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. There are 6, but in this puzzle we have only 3. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. In this L shape, 2 numbers are left. For the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? Those 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. If I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it's not the solution to place the 3 here, so the 3 should be there. Okay, this box can be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. Oh, I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 3 should be here because it can be a 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Definitely a 3. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be 5? So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 boxes, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those, 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 3. We already have a 3 there, so no 3 there. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. All right. Think. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this cross area for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Oh, I overlooked this 5. Okay, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 3. Alright, we go up. Up. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 here. If I place the 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it's not the solution to place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be here. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. The difficult part. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? It's in the same area. The 3. Yes. Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Oh, of course, it's connected. So it's supposed to be a 4, yes. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Here we have 2 and a 5. Did I make a mistake? Well, I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Oh, almost thought I made a mistake. No, it's not a mistake. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So it cannot be a 3 here. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. 14 minutes. 14, publisher. No, it's not that. It's not 4 stars. No, it's not 3 stars. No, it's not 2 stars. Publisher, it's a 1 star. I cannot believe this. You indicate this puzzle with 4 stars, and I've solved this in 14 minutes. So I don't think this is a 4 stars. It's a 1 star. So publisher, request to you, can you give us a little bit more difficult, more not so easy puzzle for us? Yeah, we need 4, really 4 stars, 5, 6 or 7 stars. That's a request. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. A killer Sudoku it will be. So see you then. Bye bye for now.